Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The Finance Ministry, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and the RBI are working to bring digital gold along with crypto assets under some regulatory oversight as concerns mount over the unchecked growth in such investment without investor protections that apply to regulated securities. The government plans to address the issues of transparency, outrageous claims, and lofty promises made by some companies in unregulated assets to lure investors. As part of the plan, the government may amend the SEBI Act and Securities Contracts Regulation Act to categorize digital gold as a security, said two officials with direct knowledge of the matter, requesting anonymity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday chaired a meeting with regulators on deciding a long-term strategy for crypto assets. This followed the Standing Committee on Finance holding a meeting on Monday with stakeholders to ascertain their views on opportunities and challenges associated with crypto finance. The proposal to regulate the assets comes after SEBI in September and October barred registered broker and investment advisors from offering digital gold and other unregulated investment products. The regulator said offering such product was a violation of the SEBI Act and as a consequence could lead to monetary penalties and in some cases license and cancellations. Some fintech companies selling digital gold had to stop such sales even as others hived off the digital gold offering to their unregulated parent entities. Some firms offered digital gold as an investment product to attract customers who were averse to investing in equity-related products. For arthroscopy and sports injuries.